G'day guys, Johan from AM Tech. Welcome to our channel. We are proud to present you with a new concept in alarm mobility. It is called the Travel Buddy. Travel Buddy is a complete portable alarm system that is versatile in its use, ideal for the outdoor enthusiast, homeowners or anyone requiring a portable alarm system. Travel Buddy is small enough to be taken with you anywhere. We all savor our private moments with our loved ones, spending quality time where we can. However, criminals and lawlessness have made it impossible to fully enjoy quality time with our families. Well, that stops now. Fight back by using Travel Buddy as a portable alarm system and deterrent. Please visit our website for more details and ordering information. And feel free to browse our YouTube channel for more informative videos. Travel Buddy has been patented and is also a registered trademark.